Okay, I'm back because the beef is tender, and then just add the potatoes and cook them in about 10 minutes until it absorbs the taste of the curry sauce. Okay, and then after 10 minutes, just garnish the cilantro leaves, and then it's absolutely done and tasty. And here I am cooking again. Takes too long to cook curry food. It's not so easy. It's not that easy. It's almost 4 hours to cook it. So once again, here's the cookbook with the yellow rice or saffron rice. And here's, instead of lamb in the cookbook, I used beef. Okay? So, it's almost there, almost there, almost there. Cover it. 7 more minutes. It's done. Okay, I'm back. So, the beef is really tender. And I think it's all done. Okay. Now, just garnish the cilantro leaves, just like that. Isn't that beautiful? All right, beautiful, huh? Lovely. So, then turn off the heat because it's done and ready to serve. Okay.